49-year-old Jane Place from Chalmette.
I was a single mom. I raised two daughters all alone. My oldest one is Penny. She lives in Virginia. And my youngest is Heidi. She's 29 and married. Gonna have a baby in March, the beginning of March. And they think a lot of me. They know what I went through. They went through it with me, raising them by myself.
Jane is also mother of 13-year-old Tommy. Tommy was diagnosed with autism and needs Jane's full-time attention.
Tommy and I are really, really close. He's very protective of me. You want to say anything?
Not really.
No.
Jane's main support comes from longtime beau, Jake.
She wanted to do it so bad, I said we had to do something, and she was going bananas. She had a hard life, real hard life, you know, and I really think that, you know, this is like hitting the lottery, you know, and you change your whole life around. That's what I told her. I said, that's why I want to go get that camera. I said, man, we got to do this. I said, I'll buy a lottery ticket every week. I said, we might as well do this. You know, a rich person's one thing, but a poor person is something else, you know. It's a beautiful thing for the doctors really to get together and really pick somebody and do something to help somebody.
We called Jane to tell her she had been chosen for a preliminary screening interview.
I was running around the house trying to get a pen and trying to sound cool on the phone. Faces, and he's going this, on this, and that.
Finally, their efforts paid off.
Jane's just going to complete makeover for the local show, Changing Faces.
Are you really serious?
Really serious.
This is it?
This is it. You're going for your first treatment right now.
Before being selected, Jane had been battling cigarettes for a long time.
I smoked since I was about 19. Tried often to quit, never could. But for this, I thought cigarette, makeover. Cigarette or makeover. Makeover has won.
She'd also done plenty of damage to her skin.
I worked on the beach for about 15 years serving pina coladas and, of course, helping my boyfriend with his shrimp boat, and I just didn't protect myself. And after looking at all these before pictures, I see how awful what it's taken, the toll it's taken on my body.
The first step in Jane's makeover process began with Changing Faces plastic surgeon Dr. David Metzner. Dr. Metzner has been practicing in New Orleans for over 27 years.
Jane, I'm going to ask you to show me the things you don't like about your appearance. And if you look in the mirror, and let's just go through it one by one.
Okay, my big nose, that's for sure. I got this turkey neck, doesn't make me happy, and a lot of wrinkles and droops, and I'm really looking pretty worn.
Yeah. Well, I can help you with all of those things.
That would be terrific.
So, all in all, what I think that I can do to help you is reduce the nose, lift your forehead and brow area, take out some skin from your upper lids. Also, you have some small bags under your eyes. You've probably noticed those.
Yes.
Which I'll get rid of. And then lift your face all in through here, there, and in the neck.
That would be fantastic.
With a small implant in the chin just to bring everything into balance and harmony. How's that sound to you?
Sounds terrific.
Okay, Jane, so that covers everything with regard to your face, your nose, your facial rejuvenation, and so forth. Is there anything else that bothers you you'd like to discuss with me?
Yes. I'm very small-chested. I've always felt a little boyish. I'd like to look a little more feminine, maybe enlarge my breasts. And I also have a little pouch that I've been trying to exercise off. It just won't go away.
Yeah, I bet that happened after your babies, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. I think the timing will be we'll do your facial surgery first, wait 2 or 3 weeks, and then go ahead and do your breast augmentation and the liposuction on your abdomen, and then you'll be all set.
I'll be a total new woman.
Absolutely.
Great.
Dr. Metzner gave us a preview of Jane's profile after surgery and a closer look at the implants he'd be using.
And this is the type of implant we'll be using. It's a saline implant. This has a textured surface. The content is saline, the same as one would have as a drip in the vein, so that they are considered absolutely safe. I'll be carving her implant out of a large block of material similar to this, which is a solid piece of silicone. I'll be carving it specifically to the thickness that we want to give just a bit more prominence at the point of her chin.
Jane would be in surgery for many hours to undergo multiple procedures. Dr. Metzner has mapped out his plan for her.
So now, let's just review. The plan is to do your upper eyelids, they're marked, the lower eyelids, the forehead lift, the mid-face lift, the jowl neck lift, the chin implant, and the nose.
That's a lot.
That's everything, huh? That's a lot.
Yes.
I didn't leave anything out?
No.
Didn't add anything in? Just according to our plan, huh?
The easy part was over.
All right, is that all that clear?
Yep, I'm ready to go.
Okay, I am too. Let's do it.
Okay.
Jane appeared to be at ease, and Dr. Metzner assured her she would be well taken care of.
Everybody's going to take very good. So Jane is now in the OR being prepared for surgery. Procedure will take about 6 hours. She'll be going home later tonight. Tomorrow I'll take her bandages off and we'll be going on from there.
Dr. David Metzner has performed surgical cosmetic procedures for patients spanning the globe for over 27 years.
My goal as a plastic surgeon is to provide for my patients real results that look natural and that last.
Jane was next, and Jake was nervous. His face said it all. Her family was overwhelmed with her newfound beauty. Everyone agreed Jane looked terrific, especially Jake. This was definitely a new Jane.
Well, Jane and I have really spent a lot of time together in the past several weeks, and she's got a long way to go before she's completely healed and all the swelling's down and we see how great she's really going to look in the end. But even now, she's looking much younger, very pretty, and I know how pleased she is with her result, and of course that's the most important thing.
Look at the incredible transformation. The tomboy was gone, replaced with the feminine side of Jane that had been hiding for years. She was looking and feeling good both inside and out.